In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Google Sites. Whether you are designing a new site from scratch or updating an existing one, knowing how to adjust the view of your content can greatly enhance your editing experience. Let's dive right in and make sure you can comfortably navigate and manipulate the layout of your Google site. First things first, you'll need to sign in to Google Sites. Start by navigating to the Google Sites homepage. Here you'll notice the prompt to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type it in, then click Next. Following that, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Once you've done this, hit Sign In to access your Google Sites dashboard. This step is crucial as it grants you access to your sites and the tools needed to edit them. Now that you're signed in, it's time to go to your specific site. If you've got multiple sites, locate the one you wish to work on from your dashboard. This process is relatively straightforward. Just search through your list of sites and click on the one you're keen to edit today. Next up, we'll be focusing on manipulating an image, a common task while editing your site. To begin, navigate to the page containing the image you wish to zoom out on. Once there, double-click on the image. This action will open up the image editing options specific to Google Sites. Once you're in the image editing mode, you'll notice various options to manipulate your image. To zoom out, look towards the tool options and you'll find a way to adjust the zoom level of this image. Specifically, you'll want to scroll to the left. This action will zoom the image out, allowing you to adjust its appearance and how it fits within the context of your site's design. It's a handy trick to ensure your images align perfectly with the rest of your content. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the new zoom level of your image, don't forget to click the check icon to confirm your changes. This step is essential as it saves the adjustments you've made, ensuring that the image appears exactly as you've set it when visitors come to your site. So, to quickly recap, we began by signing into Google Sites, navigated to our specific site, double-click on the image we wish to adjust, scroll to the left to zoom out, and click the check to confirm our changes. Remember, mastering these small but significant features within Google Sites can drastically improve the aesthetics and functionality of your site. It's all about making your content appealing and accessible to your audience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and don't hesitate to dive back into your Google Sites projects with this new know-how at your fingertips.